everyone, welcome back to Kodex Academy. I am Umansh Agarwal and today we are going to create a fun fishing game in Scratch. In this game, you will control a fishing hook and try to catch as many fish as possible. Different fish will swim across the screen and every fish you catch will give you points. But be quick and careful of the shark. If it catches you, you might lose the game. So are you ready to become a Scratch game developer? But before we start, don't forget to like, subscribe and share with your family and friends. Now let's jump into Scratch. First, let's delete the sprite cat. We will upload a backdrop. And we will take our sea backdrop. Here's it. And we will delete the backdrop 1 because we don't need it. Now let's go to code. We will upload one more sprite. And we will take our boat. Nice boat, right? Okay, now let's do our boat's coding. First, let's take a when flag clicked. Show. And then go to variables. Let's make a variable called task. Then set task to false. Write false over here. Then go to control, take forever loop, go to motion and go to x 10 and y is 75. It is going to be here. Perfect. Let's upload one more sprite, that is our wave. So let's take the first one first. So let's name this wave. Go to its costume, upload costume and let's take 2, 3 and 4. Okay, good. So now let's do the waves coding. Let's take a when flag clicked. Show, then switch costume to 1, forever loop, next costume, wait for 0.1 second and first 0.1 second will come and then next costume and before wait 0.1 second go to x 0 y minus 75 and the wave scoring is done. Perfect. Now, we will upload one more sprite. That is our fish. So, first let's take our first fish and we will name it fish. Go to costumes. This is angel fish. Okay. So, now I will upload costume and take all the other fishes. Okay, now here are all the fishes. Let's set our size because it's too big. So, size 60 and now we are going to do the fish movement. So first let's take when flag clicked. So after when flag clicked, go to look, take show, then go to back layer. Then go to motion, go to x minus 250 and y, go to operators, pick random, minus 60 to minus 160. Now let's take a forever loop. In the forever loop, go to motion, change x by, pick random, 4 to 5, then take a lesser than sign, take a greater than sign if motion x position is greater than 240, then hide, events, broadcast, new message, again, and then go to control and stop this script. So now see, It's going and it hid. So, this is the coding. So, you can see that it's moving smoothly and it's coming in a random position. Now, let's do the next code. So, take when I receive again. Now, you will understand that why I have made this again. We need to put the same code over here and there will be a little bit change. The change is you need to add next costume over here after go to back layer. Next, you need to take out this stop this script and done. Now this broadcast again is for making the fish move again and again. You saw that when I showed you the first time, it moved only once. So I wanted to move it again and again. When this code will run, it will broadcast again. Now see, the fish comes, next costume, and it will happen like this. So look, it's taking random position, going in different speeds, and it's hiding, changing its costume and everything that we are put in the code. It is perfect now. So now we will just duplicate this fish because I want to move it from the another side also. And yes, remember that go to the fish one and in the direction take left and right direction. And in the fish 2 also take left and right. Okay? So in the fish 2 now there are very less changes. Very less. Over here what you need to do is in the go to x minus 250 change it to 250. Over here also. And when I receive again. Okay, done. Now in forever change x by pick random 4 to 5. We don't want 4 to 5. We want minus 5 to minus 6. We are increasing the level of the speed because it's going to go in the opposite direction. That is why we are putting minus. I receive again also. Do it. Okay, now in the if x position is lesser than, not greater than, if x position is lesser than minus 240, then it will hide. And first let's do this change in the when I receive again also. So now I have done that change, you also do it. And the last change is that if x position is lesser than minus 240, then hide and broadcast again, not broadcast again, or else the code will corrupt in both of the sprites. We will do broadcast again 2 because this is fish 2, so again 2, right? Okay, so in the when I receive again 2 we need to do. When I receive again 2, now see. Oh, what's happening? Oh, it's direction. We need to change its direction to minus 90. Okay, like this. Okay, so let's start. So look, it's different speed. Looking very nice. Some are fast, some are slow, some are very slow. So now let's upload a sprite. And let's take the hook. Hook time. So now let's take when flag clicked, show, go to front layer, switch costume to hook, then go to motion, go to X, 62 and Y is 0 and you put this go to X and Y after show. After switch costume to hook, go to control, forever loop, motion, set X to 62. And if then mouse down, then broadcast new message fish. Now let's go to sounds and let's upload sounds. And we will take the real sound. You can hear. I will play it. It's like the hook is going down. And the second sound is the hook is going up. Okay, now let's go to code and let's take when I receive fish. Then go to motion, glide 1 second, 2x62 and y sensing, take mouse y. And then take if then, and before if then, take play sound real until done. Then if then, take or sensing, touching, fish or fish to. Then motion set x to 62 and then go to control, wait 0.5 seconds, go to sounds, play sound, fish real sound effect, fish on 2 until done. And before playing the sound, let's take glide 1 second to x62 and y0 from motion. So now I will make you understand the code. So when flag clicked, this is the positioning. And then forever loop, in the forever loop, it will set if mouse down, then it will broadcast fish. Means if the mouse is down on the screen, then it will broadcast fish. Now, when it will receive fish, then it will glide 1 second. When mouse is down, wherever I click, it will take you there. Okay, so let's say I take it here, so it will go here. Now, let's go to the fish, to another code. So let's take when flag click, forever, if then, sensing, touching, hook, then hide, variable, change, make a new variable first, that is fish count, and we will set fish count to 0. So then change fish count by 1 and go to sounds. We will upload a sound, bell. Okay, it is like, then play sound bell until done. So it's like when it will touch the hook, then it will sound bell and it will hide and change fish count by 1. Now we want to take it to the second fish also. Fish 2. Over here it is. Now see. The first. And now I will do the second. Wait a minute. Let's try it again. It's not playing the sound bell. So I identified the problem in fish 2, that in the sound there is no bell sound actually. Sorry. So let's upload a sound, the bell. Okay, now let's do it. Very slow. Yes. It's working. Yes. So now our hooks coding is done. We will upload one more sprite, that is the hook wire. Okay, now let's do coding. So first let's take one flag click. Show, then forever, if then, operators, task is equal to false. And first we will hide task. If task is equal to false, then motion, go to X, sensing, take backdrop of stage. Instead of stage, let's take hook. And X position, go to X position of hook and Y position of hook in the Y. Like this. So the meaning of task is we take the variable task in the boat because of this code. Okay? Actually, let's check something. Okay, we don't want this. Take it up, and up in the center. Okay, like this. And after show, please let's go to front layer. Okay. Perfect. So now let's make our game more challenging. For that, let's choose a sprite now and take shark or shark 1. Okay, let's go to the costumes. I don't want this. So now here is shark. Now in the shark, we will just copy paste the code of the fish. Not the whole code, the when flag clicked and when I receive again. Okay, so there are some changes that we are going to do, and let's do that. The first change is that take out this set fish count to 0 and go to back layer. And yes, one more thing. In the shark, after show, wait. First we will make it hide and then wait for 5 seconds and show. Because we don't want that it will come continuously. And let's decrease the size. It's too big. Okay, 75 is done. Okay, and shark also left to right. Over here in the shark, let's put a constant speed. Change x by 5 in both when I receive again and when flag clicked. And yes, also change this in when I receive again. Okay, this all is correct, but we will broadcast a new message. Okay, shark again. Then stop the script and when I receive shark again and broadcast shark again. Like this. Done. Now let's see how it's working. Shark here. Shark is coming. Again. Great. It's working perfectly. Now one last part is left. The game over. We are not putting you win in this because I want you to play it full time. Let's upload our game over backdrop. Game over. Okay, here's it. Game over backdrop. Let's go to code. And first let's go to fish. After this, just copy this and put it down. And if touching shark, if fish touches shark, then it will hide and it will play one more sound, that is, okay, chomp. So it will play sound chomp and take out this change fish count by 1. Okay, so this is done and this will go to fish 2. Put it at the same point and go to sounds. And let's take the sound chomp. Okay, let's go to the hook now. The last coding of the hook. First, let's take when I receive fish. Then forever loop. And before the forever loop, go to control and take wait until sensing touching shark. And in the forever loop, go to looks and go to front layer. Okay, done. And now let's go to the shark, and if touching in the shark in both of the code. If then touching hook, then looks, hide, events and broadcast, new message, game over. And put this code over here also. Done. And now go to the stage. When flag clicked, go to looks, switch backdrop to see their events. When I receive game over, switch backdrop to game over and go to sounds. Delete the sound pop. And let's take the sound. Oops. Great, it's very louder but still. So let's make it softer. Okay, perfect. Now let's go to code and play sound oops until done. And now let's make every sprite hide. So first let's go to the boot. When I receive game over, hide and put this code into wave and check in every sprite that you have the when flag clicked show. And in the fish too, both the fish, in the hook wire, but not in the shark because there is already in the shark. Hook and hook wire, and in the shark you can see we have put over here. And yes, in shark actually we need to put stop all, so let's put stop all here. So now let's play. Oh yeah, perfect. Now let's play our game on full screen. Yay. No. It's okay. Up. And we're going to go. Yes. Get up. Yes, finally. Oh no. It's okay. Try this and tell me if it works. I am waiting for your comment. And if you need any help, please comment us. I hope you like and understand this video. If you please like, subscribe and share this video to your family and friends. And yes, don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss the latest update. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. See you in the next video.